Good day everyone! I will introduce you to our application EcoEarn. We developed an app for everyone to help keep our environment clean in a different way since technology is being used very often. We focus on recycling, but that's not all. Our app has plenty of features. It is not surprising to see that people these days still do not follow the rules of cleanliness. We want to change that. So we provided a solution to encourage everyone to keep our environment clean. This is our mission, vision, and tagline. This is our logo as well, and our cute little mascot named EcoPal, who can assist us anytime when we're using the application. When you start using EcoEarn, you'll be asked to fill up your information in order to create an account. That way, you'll see your progress on how much you've done to save our environment. With EcoEarn, you can scan barcodes at the junk shops once you have recycled items being sold there. You can also reduce and reuse items that are not needed anymore. Make sure that you have EcoEarn active while you're doing so. You can even set up some schedules and reminders on your daily tasks. EcoEarn also has a community to show some updates about what is happening all over the world that talks about recycling and in our environment. You can even communicate with anyone. Our strategy is to use technology as an assistance to encourage users to keep the environment clean since some places around us aren't that clean. We also provided gamification in the application so that users can earn points, badges, and other rewards they can redeem. For our business model includes subscription services, partnerships and sponsorships, in-app advertising, data monetization, e-commerce integration, and seek grants and funding. These strategies provide multiple revenue streams to ensure the sustainability and growth of EcoEarn. For the competition analysis, we have analyzed our competitors and found that while there are several recycling apps available, EcoEarn stands out with its comprehensive features, user-friendly interface, and gamification elements that keep users engaged and motivated. For the financial projections, our financial projections show a steady increase in revenue over the next 3 years, driven by user growth, subscription services, and advertising partnerships. We expect to break even within the first year and achieve significant profitability by the end of the third year. For the milestones and timeline, we have set clear milestones and a timeline for the development and launch of EcoEarn. Our key milestones include completing the app development, launching a beta version, conducting user testing, and officially launching the app within 6 months. Post-launch, we will focus on expanding our user base and enhancing app features based on our user feedback. Here are the members of Innovatech that created EcoEarn. I, Shamaim Nicole Daya, am the leader of my team. Emerson Clamor, Rafael de Manahan, and Brajan Calrenario contributed their works such as EcoEarn's application design, the mission and vision, and the rest of it. Innovatech may plan on some projects to raise awareness on what is happening in our environment and to encourage users to save the environment. In conclusion, EcoEarn is an application that is all about recycling and gives tips and guides on how to do so. You can earn by going to junk shops held under EcoEarn, and depending on how many items you have recycled, you will earn money. This will surely encourage everyone at any age to keep on recycling and keep our environment clean, which is the point of our application. Let us keep our environment clean with EcoEarn.